Good morning. My name is Said Ekbar Sharma and I am your examiner for the day. What's your name?
My name is Tarun Kumar Arora.
Okay, what should I call you?
You can address me Tarun.
Okay, we are going to have your examination and we will starting with the first section, your personal section. Okay, introduce yourself.
Well, my name is Tarun Kumar Arora. I am from Jalandhar, which is situated in northern part of India. Recently, I have done my graduation in the domain of civil engineering. That's all about me.
Okay, let us talk about your city. Can you tell me something about your city?
Yes. Uh, the name of my city is Jalandhar, which is situated in the northern part of India, and there are a lot of things which is popular in a city.
Which is the most popular building in your city?
Well, the most popular infrastructure is MBD Mall. It is a renowned mall. Well, there are a lot of things are available of boys and uh, girls accessories.
Okay, what is the main business of your city?
The main business of our city is sports market. There are a lot of sports goods are available for different kind of sports things. So that kind of favorite.
Is there any street market in your city?
Yeah, there are a lot of street market in our city. The first street market is very known in a city. The name of the market is Dilkusha Market, Central Market. Well, there are a lot of things are available, such as men's accessory, women's accessory, and
Okay, do your city have the street market?
yeah, city have a street market. Well, I have seen a lot of street markets in a city, like in Jalandhar Kent. There's a street market where a lot of cuisines are available. People come from different kind of areas and to have that kind of.
Okay, let's talk about your favorite subject. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is maths because I have deep inclination in math subjects and I can easily uh, solve the evaluations in a right way.
Okay, why you like the maths?
Because I have deep inclination for my further studies. For I have interest in civil engineering. Recently, I have done, and I will definitely do my studies further in abroad. And
Okay, what was your favorite chapter in maths?
my favorite chapter in maths is uh, equations. And because I love to solve the equations in the right way and to solve the infrastructures in the right manner.
What is the value of mathematics in day-to-day life?
Well, I'm also a businessman. Well, I have just counting the currencies in the right way while I give the goods to the customers. So it's the right way to
Okay.
calculate the
Why some
currency.
students feel that mathematics is a very difficult subject?
Students feel too difficult in that way. They don't have deep inclination in math subjects and because they don't have interest in it.
Okay, thank you. This was your first part, and
Thank you.
we are going to have now cue card. Okay, you can start with your cue card.
Thanks for giving me this cue card, which is related to interesting person which I met recently. I would like to talk about a person which I met recently. The name of the person is Dev Kumar Sharma. He is very popular in our area and he has done a lot of things in his career, such as LLB, MBA, and he has quite comfortable in singing as well as in spiritual things. So I met him and I have learned a lot of things from him, how to do the spiritual things in the right way, like such as meditation. It gives us relaxation, and people do that kind of thing in their lives and feel rejuvenate themselves. Apart from that, I have learned the musical skills from him, how to produce a song, how to do the things in a right way on the software, like such as Cubase, Pro Tools, and I have learned the right way how to invent the sound by merging the electricity waves. So these kind of things which I learned from him, and I was quite comfortable with him. It was wonderful experience with him. That's all.
Okay. Why some people are interesting?
Sorry, can you please repeat again?
Why some people are very interesting?
Because from my perspective, I just love to see people who have interest in their lives to do the various kind of things, like such as people have interest in math calculations and the art and crafts things, and that kind of thing which I attracted to the person.
Okay. Do you think the personality of a person can decide the career of a person?
I don't think so. People who have deep inclination in their fields, they definitely want to do the things in future and they want to earn big chunk of money in their lives. And apart from that, I just love that kind of people who have deep inclination in their fields to achieve more goals in their lives.
Are you interesting person in your circle?
Uh, yes, I am. I just gave the knowledge to the friends and about these spiritual things because I have deep things in that field. I just such as meditation, chantings, the bead.
Do you have any role model in your life?
Yeah, I have role model in my life. The role model of my life is Shri Narendra Modi, who is the Prime Minister of India. The things he has done right now, I just love him a lot, and I just follow the path of him.
Do you like to spend time with yourself?
Yeah, I love to spend the time with myself. I love to, because in leisure time I just love to do a lot of things in the right at the right moment, like such as spiritual things. It relaxes my mind, like such as meditation and chanting the beads, and I feel comfortable.
Are you happy from your current age?
Um, well, in my current age, at my current age, I just it is that time to learn the things from various people.
Okay, present day people are more happy or earlier people were the more happy?
Well, I have seen a lot of things in my life, like population is increasing day by day. Well, there is a lot of things is hustle bustle in our area. So I have seen of to my grandfather and grandparents also. They were really happy rather
Okay,
than us.
what type of things old age people do to earn the happiness in their life?
At that moment, people have time in their lives and they have done a lot of things in their lives and they have experienced much things about us. So it's a I just love to see them a lot, and I just love to learn these kind of things
Okay,
from
Tarun,
others.
thank you so much, and this was the end of your test.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Dear students, we have seen the live demo of IELTS mock speaking test. There are certain observations which I would like to share with you. First of all, the candidate was repetiting. He was repeating the information, he stuck on some word and he is again and again repeating the same mistakes. This is the number one mistake. Second, the grammar part. We can see that somewhere down the line he has not used the proper tenses, though the other things were correct. But grammar is one of the major portion which has to be taken care. These are the two basic mistakes which I have found in his test. Now, what was the good thing in the test? The good thing in the test was the pronunciation was good, the flow was good, even though the part 1 and part 2 was not so comfortable, but candidate was quite comfortable with the part 3 questions as well as the flow as well as the logics. So all those aspirants who are looking forward to appear in their exams for IELTS speaking, I would like to share that kindly do take care of your content plus grammar plus your eye contact and plus your confidence plus your lexical resources plus some idioms. If there is a blend of all these skills, so there are chances that we are going to get the good bands. What I assessed for today's candidate, part 1 and part 2 was average, part 3 was good. So overall I give him the 6 bands, though there were some lacunas, but overall the student can get the 6 bands. So let us try for the best. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to the channel so that you watch all the latest videos as far as the right information. Thank you so much for watching my videos of Success Mantra. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.